Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video we will discuss what is YouTube's algorithm and how does it affect video recommendations. YouTube's algorithm is like a guide that helps decide which videos you see when you visit the platform. Every time you watch a video, like a video, or subscribe to a channel, YouTube's algorithm takes note of what you enjoy. It then uses this information to recommend more videos that it thinks you'll like. But how does this process work and why does it matter? Let's break it down in simple words. What is YouTube's algorithm? Imagine walking into a giant library with millions of books, or in this case, videos. You might feel overwhelmed and not know where to start. YouTube's algorithm acts like a friendly librarian who knows your tastes and suggests books you'll probably enjoy. The algorithm is a set of rules and calculations that help YouTube decide what to show you. This algorithm looks at different factors to understand your preferences. Your watch history. What types of videos have you watched before? If you love cooking videos, YouTube will suggest more cooking-related content. Engagement. Do you often like, comment, or share videos? The algorithm considers these actions as signs that you enjoyed the video and may show you more similar content. Search history. What do you usually search for on YouTube? If you search for a lot of music videos, you'll likely get more music-related recommendations. Video information. The algorithm also considers details about each video, like the title, description, and tags. These help YouTube understand the video and whether it might interest you. How does it affect video recommendations? YouTube's algorithm aims to keep you watching videos for as long as possible. To do this, it tries to show you videos that you're most likely to click on and enjoy. Here's how it affects what you see. First, homepage recommendations. When you open YouTube, the first thing you see is your homepage. The videos displayed here are tailored to your interests based on what you've watched or interacted with in the past. If you often watch gaming videos, your homepage will likely be filled with similar content. Next, suggested videos. When you're watching a video, YouTube's algorithm also suggests other videos on the side or at the end. These suggestions are based on the current video's topic, your watch history, and what other users who watched the same video enjoyed. Then, there's the trending section. The trending section shows videos that are popular with many people. While your interests are still considered, this section mainly highlights what's currently trending on YouTube and whether or not it matches your specific tastes. Finally, search results. When you search for something on YouTube, the algorithm tries to show you the most relevant results. It considers the video's title, description, and tags, as well as how many people have watched and liked it. Why does the algorithm matter? Understanding YouTube's algorithm is important for both viewers and content creators. For viewers, knowing how the algorithm works can help you find content that interests you more quickly. It's also why you might find yourself going down a rabbit hole of videos, because the algorithm is really good at showing you more of what you like. For content creators, if you make videos, understanding the algorithm can help you reach more people. By creating engaging content that people want to watch, like, and share, you can increase the chances that the algorithm will recommend your videos to others. Conclusion. YouTube's algorithm is like a smart guide that tries to show you the best content based on your preferences. It affects everything from what you see on your homepage to the videos suggested while you're watching. By understanding how it works, you can get more out of your YouTube experience, whether you're a viewer looking for great videos or a creator trying to reach a bigger audience.